In this video, we will talk about some of the extensions, or probably the extension that I use on a regular basis. There are a lot of SEO related extensions that help you view links and titles and meta description, but the favorite one that I've got is called Web Developer. You can get this in Chrome and Firefox. So if you're on Chrome, you could simply type in Chrome in the search bar, or you could type in Web Developer Firefox, and you would end up going to the extension. You click on install here. It will show up as this cog-like icon in the top bar, and you will be able to use a lot of these functions that are a part of this extension. So let's view what some of these useful functions are. So for an example, if you're on a page, we've already discussed how you would be able to use the outline, document outline. So you click on view document outline, and you would be able to view the document outline of the page. If you wanted to use the metadata or view the metadata of the page, you would simply go to the information tab and click on view meta tag information. So remember, you have to be on the page and then click it to be able to see the description of the page, if there's any site verification code in there, any open graph tags, Twitter cards, viewports, and so on and so forth. So a few things there, really useful to debug. So you can see here, for an example, there's already a description, just another WordPress site, followed by another description here. So obviously that needs fixing. In addition to this, you can also look at the response headers. For an example, you could look at the link information. You can look at the anchor information. So if I click on anchor information, it gives me all the anchors in the page. These anchors just because I'm actually logged into WordPress. But yeah, it gives you all the anchor information on the page. Now, in addition to this, it's very useful to debug. For an example, you want to see all the alt attributes that we discussed in the earlier videos. So, for this example here, digital marketing courses, mascot. This one doesn't have an alt tag. These ones don't have an alt tag. So it's quite useful there. If you want to find any broken image on the page, you want to check if there are any broken images, you click that, and it will bring up all the broken images on the page. So as you're beginning to see, it's starting to become really useful to do a little bit of debugging. Now, you can also, do some advanced stuff. So, for an example, if I'm on this site and you want to be able to look at all the external links, for an example, so you just simply say outline external links, and it will put them all in red. So all the links that are outside pointing out to the site will bring in all the external links as well. So you can do some of the other stuff, like you can delete session cookies just to check how how the behavior of the site is different. You could also do some more stuff with reloading images. You can view image information. You can also use this to see anchors themselves. You can see JavaScript. You can also outline or resize this if you want to see it in a certain viewport, and then obviously some other tools that you can use. So quite a useful extension, in my opinion. Sort of does most of the work that an SEO extension should do, although it's not an SEO extension, or not targeted towards the SEO people, and also helps you sort of improve pages without having to rely on third-party tools like Screaming Frog.